Hello, my name is Dr. Angela Aslami, and I am the owner of Horizons Health and Wellness, which is a medical practice in Bridgewater, Massachusetts. We are an OBGYN practice, and we also offer nutritional medicine and bioidentical hormone replacement therapy and testing for environmental toxins to try to, help get to the root cause of why some people look so good and feel so bad. So I went to medical school at Wake Forest University, and then from there I went to Charlotte, North Carolina, and completed my training in obstetrics and gynecology, and that was in 2003. And since that time I've been practicing obstetrics and gynecology in Connecticut and now in Massachusetts. I start with the detailed history of the patient on how they sleep and what they eat and how they manage their stress and do they exercise and what kind of medications they take, and the overwhelming majority of them have issues related to nutritional deficiencies, either because of their diet or because of the medications used to treat their conditions, or both. So then we start with nutritional testing, and if they need sleep evaluation, I send them pretty early on in the evaluation for that. I always tell them we can't fix anything if we can't fix your sleep. So they're very accepting of that. And we also look at hormone balancing through all the ages, from premenopause to postmenopause. I have a lot of patients who suffer from a variety of hormone-related conditions, and that may not be the primary problem, and sometimes it is the primary problem. So I explain to them that there are ways to test their hormones, and it's not just one hormone, and it's not just one testing modality, and we look at the whole spectrum. We look at the stress hormones, such as cortisol, we look at the female hormones, we look at the thyroid, we look at the adrenal hormones, we look at insulin resistance, and it all ties together, so there isn't one pill or one fix for all of it. And so then we go into the treatment options, of course, and I present the whole story on the pharmaceutical hormones, the bioidentical hormones, the pros and cons of each. My little sister is a stage 3 breast cancer survivor, and she's always in the back of my mind on how do hormones influence breast cancer risk, and how does our environment influence breast cancer risk. So when you come to our practice and you're interested in hormone therapy, you're getting quite an education on not just the hormones themselves, but how you prepare your food, what you store it in, where you buy it from, what kind of shampoos and conditioners you use, because all those things also affect your hormones, regardless of whether we give you the hormones or not. So one of the other goals of our hormone replacement strategies is overall to improve quality of life, improve sense of well-being, and lower the risk of chronic disease. And so that ties into weight management as well. There are some ladies who come for hormone replacement who are not at their ideal body weight, and they might have come in just for hormone replacement therapy. We'll talk about how their weight in and of itself has some negative effects on long-term risk of heart attack and stroke and Alzheimer's, and try to come up with a balanced program, not just on the hormone side of it, and tweaking their hormones can improve their ability to lose weight, but we also have a weight loss program. So that combines that detailed nutrition testing with hormone balancing, with detoxifying things that might have been in their past. For example, if they quit smoking, there may be some lingering toxins in their system that we can get rid of, which will help them lose their weight and feel better. One area that we also focus on is sexual dysfunction. And there are many, many men and women who have a variety of conditions where they have a lower sex drive, or it's painful, or it's not satisfying, and it's embarrassing sometimes for them to talk about it, and it's one of our favorite things to address because it has such a huge impact on the quality of relationships, and it's not embarrassing, and we have a lot of effective treatments, and so that's another one of our major focuses is on sexual dysfunction. So if you'd like more information about our practice, please visit our website at horizonshealthandwellness.com. The phone number would be 508-807-0634.